With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the question is growth hormone activity is, and the options are unaffected by thyroxine, increased by thyroxine, decreased in thyroxine, and none of ever. So as we all know that growth hormone, that is GH or somatotropin, okay, somatotropin, also known as, these are also known as human growth hormone, okay, or we called it HGH in its human form. It is a peptide hormone, okay, that stimulates growth, cell reproduction, and cell regeneration, okay, that stimulate growth, cell reproduction, and cell regeneration in humans and other animals. It is secreted by anterior lobe of the pituitary gland. Okay, it stimulates the growth of essentially all tissues of the body, includes bones. Its activity is increased by thyroxine produced by the thyroid gland. So the correct option is increased by thyroxine. That is option B. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.